To manage device settings in Azure AD, you can follow these steps. Sign into the Azure portal, https://portal.azure.com/ with your Azure AD administrator account. In the Azure portal, navigate to Azure Active Directory. You can find it by searching for Azure Active Directory in the search bar. In the Azure Active Directory blade, select Devices from the left-hand side menu. This will show you the device management options. To manage individual devices, click on All Devices. You will see a list of all devices registered in your Azure AD. From the list, select the device you want to manage. This will open the Devices Details page. On the Device Details page, you can perform various actions and manage settings for the device. Some of the options available include: Reset Password allows you to reset the password for the device. Restart restarts the device remotely. Delete removes the device from Azure AD. Disable disables the device, preventing it from accessing resources in Azure AD. Enable enables the device if it was previously disabled. Edit device properties allows you to modify device-specific properties like display name, description, and more. Additionally, you can manage device settings at a broader level by going to the Device Settings option in the Azure Active Directory blade. Here, you can configure settings related to device registration, conditional access, Windows Hello for Business, and more. Remember that managing device settings in Azure AD requires appropriate administrative permissions. Make sure you have the necessary access rights to perform these actions.